EDCI 704 candidates, Dr. Palermo with a Week 10 video. There's not much to tell you in Week 10. You have had some formative feedback on several of your evidences, and getting those evidences revised and loaded into TaskStream is your that is your work this last week of the summer semester. To try to clarify and keep our expectations consistent and clear, I have adjusted my formative feedback in Blackboard, where I have provided formative feedback there. Like Dr. Greer, I've assigned zeros and the written feedback, how to improve those projects. And then over in TaskStream, after you've revise things and get them into TaskStream as soon as possible. The end of the semester is next Tuesday, July 31st. They are due as soon as possible in order to give your evaluators an opportunity to give you feedback. Get those in as soon as possible, but certainly by Tuesday the 31st at the drop dead deadline. And some of these projects work well with collaboration. Some need to be written individually, and some can be written individually. That is, we have to clarify the expectation on where you're writing individually and where you're writing collaboratively. So on a project like the CNAB, I told some of you that you could collaborate on some portions that make sense, definitely on narratives, and when you're telling your own story, please do that individually. And here is some further clarification. On the PLPAs, if you are collaborating with someone else on site description, on data or data analysis, when it gets to the portion here on recommendations and process narrative, this needs to be an individual effort. Each of you submitting your summative PLPAs should submit individual documents with your name on it, and your process narrative and recommendations should be your individual work. If you're collaborating with another partner on describing data, describing the site or the district, not the whole school district, what is your district, then do write your own individual recommendations and process narrative. I hope that's clear, but if it's not, please write to myself or Dr. Greer and ask, when you're revising your PLPAs, if you wrote those in collaboration with another, please individualize it with your recommendations and process narrative. The final document submitted into TaskStream will be evaluated on an individual basis, and we'll be looking for individual recommendations and process narratives. I hope that said that clear enough to clear up those expectations. Thank you. Look forward to seeing your work. We'll give you feedback, and we'll have our assessments done 1st of August. So thank you. Have a great week.